Okay, so what we're going to be doing now is drilling the pins for the barrel lugs. I don't know if you could see that or not, but basically what I got is a fence on the drill press here. It's a lot easier to do it with an octagon barrel than a round barrel because you don't. It's got a lot of play back and forth, so you don't know if you're going to be exactly flat on the drill press or not. But I'm just going to eyeball it and do the best I can. And basically I got this fence here, and what I'm going to do is just lower the drill bit down to make sure it's clearing the barrel and getting exactly where I want it to go on the barrel lug, and it looks like it's right where I need it to be. So what we're going to do now is put the barrel back in the stock, line everything back up again, and then drill through the stock and through the barrel lug, and then hopefully I'll have a hole clean through. I'm going to put the camera down and get set up and come back. Okay, I've got the barrel back in the stock now, and I have the stock taped down because I don't want any doubt as to whether or not where that hole is going to go. So the barrel is clamped down, taped down, and attached to the stock as close to the actual position as it could be. And what I'm going to be doing now, hands in the way, I'm going to be drilling that hole. I've got the barrel up against the fence here, and I'm going to be drilling this hole, and hopefully it'll come out where I had measured it before I put the barrel in the stock. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I just hit the barrel lug, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the barrel out of the stock now and make sure that hole is right where I want it to be. Okay, so I'm going to take the barrel out and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so you can see here that I hit the barrel lug. It's a little bit lower than where I wanted it to be. But that's okay. I still got a lot of meat on the bottom here to cover that. So I'm going to put the barrel back in the stock and continue that hole all the way through. Turn the camera on when I get that done. Okay, I've got the barrel back in the stock, and I've got the stock all taped down, and just lining up that drill bit one more time. Go ahead and drill the hole. Way through. Okay, I'll take the barrel back out and see how that hole went. Okay, so there's the hole. It went right where it needed to go. And I've got the other hole, well, here it is right here, drilled clean through. So didn't go through the barrel channel, and everything looks pretty good. Now I'm just using 3/32 pins. These are actually 3/32 welding rods that I'm cutting up. So I'm going to cut this one down to size and put it in that hole and see how it fits. Okay, so I've got the pin in. I actually did 2 of them. And it looks to be in pretty good shape. I'm going to go do the rest of these, and we'll turn the camera back on when I get done. All right, so I went ahead and put the swivel in. Had to drill a bigger hole, but this is where it went, and it's the same procedure as drilling the barrel pins. You just had to use a bigger drill. So the swivel is in, and all the pins are in. So now I'm going to start working the lock, the internal components of the lock. But for all intents and purposes, this barrel has been pinned and installed in the stock, and I guess that's it for now. Cashstick Bowcraft, thanks for watching.